Hello everyone, today is Valentine's Day and on this special day we came to this place which is actually a farm of beautiful sunflowers. Why we chose this place? You will get it at the end of the video. So let's have a walk with us. Especially to our Indian watchers, Thailand is also having huge sunflower production because of oil and especially seeds. Thai people love to eat sunflower seeds like snacks, and also it contains multivitamin which is very good for human health.
And we are walking. You can see like sunlight is so much and I can't walk without umbrella. It's so hot. Thailand summer, it's like summer. Seriously, it's so hot. My God.
But guys, we came here because of one reason, that this garden is opened only from 7th of February to 14th of February, special for the Valentine. So that's why it came to our ear that this garden is like a very limited, open for very limited period. So that's why we came here and to check. And it's not bad, it's good, but the thing is very sunny. So maybe we came too early. So right now we are done with our video here because it's not so many things to walk around. And keep like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.
And you guys want to know where is Super Kid? He left us. He just went. Where? We don't know.
Because it's too sunny. See you guys in our next video.
Bye bye.